ಮಹಾಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ ನಗರದ NNT ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುವ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಶ್ರೀ ನಾಗನಾಥೇಶ್ವರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದೇವಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಪೂಜಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದಲೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಹೂವಿನ ಅಲಂಕಾರ, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ, ಹೋಮ, ಹವನ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಹಲವು ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಪೂಜಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ನಡೆದವು. ನಾಗನಾಥೇಶ್ವರ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದೇವಾಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದಲೇ ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯವರಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಪೂಜೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯವರ ಕೃಪೆಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರರಾದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಮಹಾಶಿವರಾತ್ರಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ದೇವಾಲಯಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಕ್ತಾದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತೀರ್ಥ ಪ್ರಸಾದ ವಿನಿಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. SNR ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಶಾಲೆ, ವಾರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, ಆಶ್ರಯ ಬಡಾವಣೆ, ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 2024-25ನೇ ಸಾಲಿಗೆ ನರ್ಸರಿಯಿಂದ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯವರೆಗೂ ದಾಖಲಾತಿಗಳು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗಿವೆ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ. SNR ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಶಾಲೆ, ವಾರ್ಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2, ಆಶ್ರಯ ಬಡಾವಣೆ, ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ.
Hey guys, welcome to SNR Academy. This is Madhurima.
This is Mokshita.
And we'll be your two guys for today. So let's move on.
Welcome to SNRA.
Imagine a school that can educate you from all the levels, preschool all the way to the senior high school.
The preschool department is committed to provide a happy and stimulating environment for students for holistic development.
Education is not the preparation of life. Education itself is the life. Here SNRA, we started in the year in 2017. Our main motto is to give the world-class education the rural area, the suburban area like our Chintamani.
Firstly, education is not about the information that is put into our brain. It's all about the character making, life building and assimilation of ideas.
I've been studying here for more than 6 years. The teaching staff here, they have a very variety of techniques which make every children learn and develop their skills.
Bull, name of a place. Fig, name of a fruit. I have 12 ice cream sticks. I will share equally in 4 glasses. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3.
Definition of the earthquakes. Movement or vibration on the upper layer of the earth due to the pressure increased inside the earth is called earthquakes.
Here at SNRA, we are following the Finland-based education system. So, Finland-based education system is considered to be as the world best education system. It is activity-based. The children are taught on the activities along their curricular. The teachers also trained with the activities and they are child-friendly.
3 into 3 plus 1 and the denominator whatever you have to write as it is.
ओणम केरला के अंदर मनाया जाता है और यहाँ कवि का नाम
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗಣೇಶ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಏನಂತ
ಕಂಸ ತನ್ನ ಸೋದರಿ ದೇವಕಿಯ ವಿವಾಹವನ್ನು ವಸುದೇವನೊಡನೆ ವೈಭವದಿಂದ ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿ
this is start button, control button, shift button.
Air is everywhere and air is a mixture of gases.
ಗೋರು ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಥಳ ಬಿಜಾಪುರ. So गृह कार्य में घर पर करने का काम.
A private finance, it refers to that it is the finance related to the one person or one family.
Here we are creating the stress-free environment for the children.
The management staff and the teaching staff here are very supportive and also kind. In our school, we tend to give freedom with limitations. This enables every student to build their confidence.
Now we pass into the grades.
SNR Academy is a go-to hub for students, taking advantages of vast references available here.
Need a place to study? The library and the learning hub is a spot to be at.
We are providing here the world-class facilities. We have very well equipped and very well furnished classrooms here, along with the teachers and children ratio.
The school will not only encourage us in studies but also they encourage us in cultural activities.
So we are following this education along with the co-curricular activities like karate, dance, yoga and skatings and classical dance also.
This school has provided me the opportunities to represent myself at various platforms. I will really feel very proud to be the student of SNR Academy.